Hi and welcome to my second camera haul. Today I'm going to show you all the cameras I've gotten since last time. I haven't really found anything special myself, but I got some nice cameras for Christmas that I want to show you. We can start with the cameras I got myself, and this is one of them. It's a Kodak box camera, more specifically number 2A Brownie, and it works great. And no, I did not pay $60 for it. I paid 60 crowns with this, which is about $6. Next I want to show you a camera that I think I forgot to show in the last camera haul. It's a Canon MC, and I paid $2 for it. Sadly, it does not work though, but it's quite nice anyways. And after that I went to my local flea market and found a big box of old camera stuff and something like that. It was an old Super 8 projector and cameras and film and all that stuff, but it was two cameras in the box. First one was a Brownie Starlet camera, which works great. It's missing the top plate though, but it's just cosmetic, so and I paid $5 for the whole box. Next in the box was also this Polaroid 88, the Polaroid Color Pack 88, and it seems to work great also. It came with this nice box. After that I also went to an antique shop, found this, and it is an Yashica Electro 35 FC. They wanted $7.50 for it, but I was able to get it for $5. And as far as I can see, it works great, but I would rather have some of the other models. This one is cheaper and not as many functions and stuff like that. And the last camera I found myself was this Kodak Junior 620 folding camera. And the shutter works great in this camera, and there's no light leaks or anything like that. And I got it really cheap. I was the only bidder and got it for 10 cents plus 5 shipping. Next I'm going to show you all the cameras I got for Christmas, and we can start with where is it? Here, this one. I was told this was bought for $6. It is a Kodak Retinet 1B in pretty nice condition, but the shutter is sticky, and it only works sometimes. I will have to open it up and clean the shutter blades, but after that I think it will work great. The light meter also works. And the next 6 cameras I will show you was bought for $50. It was 7 cameras, but I sold one of them for $30. So basically all the 6 cameras I'm going to show you now was $20. If you, yeah, you know. First we have Yashica Reflex 35 SLR camera, and it works quite nicely, although sometimes the long shutter speeds will be a little bit too fast. You see, that was not really half a second, but it's worth it. I don't usually use the low shutter speed, so it doesn't really bother me. And next is this Asahi Pentax SP1000, and all the shutter speed works great on this camera. Even the longer shutter speeds works great. It has one problem though, and that is that the winding lever doesn't spring back, but it doesn't really bother me. The camera works great either way, and if I want to fix it, I just have to take the lever off and reconnect the spring, and it would work great. Next we have, let's see, this, and it is a Nicomat FTN, and also known as Nichromat FTN. Sadly, this one has a problem. It only works on the fastest shutter speeds, from 1/1000 of a second to 1/60th of a second. Sorry. All the shutter speeds lower than that, the mirror and shutter just get stuck. If anyone knows how to fix that, please tell me, because I would really love to have this camera working, but it was so cheap, so it's nice and dirty. Next we have this, and this is a Voigtlander White-O-Matic 1A, and as you might can see, it works great. It's hard to see, but I can assure you that it works. One thing with this camera is that you have to have film in it to work, for it to work. As you can see, if you don't have film in it, it will just keep winding without locking shutter. You have to advance these sprockets here for it to work. It has shutter speed ranging from 1/500th of a second to 1 second, and most of the shutter speeds work great, but it is a little bit sluggish on 1 second and 1/2 of a second. Nice camera though, and the light meter also works, so great. And here is my second favorite, I guess. I don't know which. It is Praktica 4. In beautiful condition. It has like no scratches at all, and it's just almost perfect condition. And yeah, the shutter works great too, and all shutter speeds. I will open the back so I can show you that. You can advance the film either with this winding lever or with this knob, I guess. That was 1/100th of a second. Or yeah, 100 a second. And this is 1/5 of a second, I guess. Right there. And there the shutter gets stuck. Oh well, I thought this was working as it should, but oh well. That was 1/10 of a second. Yeah, I will have to work on this, I guess. But really nice camera, by the way. And now for my favorite Christmas gift was this camera. This is a Kodak Retina 3C rangefinder folding camera, I guess we'll call it. It is in really nice condition, apart from minor, I guess, paint missing here. The light meter works perfectly, and also the shutter. All the way down to 1/8 of a second at least. It works great. It came with this, this Rodenstock Retina Heligon C 1 f2 50mm lens. And now I can show you here that the shutter works. As you can see, that was 1/8 of a second. When I got the camera, the shutter was stuck, but it was quite easy to fix. And I will also show you 1/25 of a second. Oh. So. Yeah, this is my favorite camera by far that I got for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.